Hey guys, this video will be about setting up a new computer on Datto RMM. So in this case, it's actually a good opportunity because this client sent us an email, Brad from Electronics. He sent a ticket in, said that his previous computer called Desktop 2 has been having issues. We need to remove it from monitoring and add his new computer on. So what I'm going to do is this. First of all, we're going to go over here to Datto RMM that has a single sign-on token. You don't have to log into it. If you go from the Datto PSA, it opens up right away here. We're going to go to the client location here and the site I'm in, and let's look at the devices. We're looking for desktop 2. Last name that logged in is electronics/Brad, so we know that's the right one. The first thing we're going to do is check the box here and delete the device. It's going to ask us to confirm the number 1 because it's one device that's being deleted. And now the device should be gone. The next thing we're going to do is send him a link to install the monitoring agent. So we're going to click on new device. We're under the electronics, so new device will create a new device URL for that specific site. Right click here, copy link address, and let's go back to the ticket. And what we're going to do is just, first of all, accept the ticket so nobody else will try to work on it. Even though it's 7:40 p.m. on a Sunday, I doubt it anybody else is looking into it. But I'm going to send him a quick note over here. Hi, Brad. I removed desktop 2 from the monitoring plan. To add the new computer, please remove any existing third-party AV software and reboot your computer. I'm going to actually also ask him and rename your computer to have a friendly name. For example, electronics-Brad. Reboot your computer and run this installer executable file. This guy's pretty technical. I'm sure he's going to know what I'm doing, what I'm talking about. Installer is a silence one, and we'll install both the monitoring agent and the AV software. If you need further help, please let us know. If we don't hear back from you, we'll assume we can close the ticket. Thank you. Waits. Actually, what we want to do, I would not close the ticket. I would ask him, please update us when you completed the above steps, and we'll confirm it's showing on our end correctly. And that's it. I'm going to click on save. He also noted over here that he wants to connect to the company domain. So when this is done, by the way, we will be able to connect remotely with our Click username because we can push whatever scripts we want, and we're going to create a local user account and join him to the domain. So I'm actually going to add that to him as well now, and I'm going to write again, hi again, Brad. Regarding adding your PC to the domain, we will do so after the computer has been renamed and after you installed the monitoring agent, and AV will automatically Here is again. Thanks. Rates. So click on save. So he just got 2 emails from us. And next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule that for tomorrow so I can come over here to service call. I want to make sure that tomorrow is going to be something I can follow up with him. So I'm going to put that to at like noon maybe. So Monday 12 until 12:30, just in case there's any issues, half hour. Save and close. And that's it. The ticket should be now on waiting customer status once I refresh this page over here. There it is. And that's all I wanted to show you on this ticket. Thank you very much. Have a good day.